This weekend is going to be huge. I am so glad you're tuning into this email right now because this weekend and this weekend only, 75% off of our kits. You can get your business started at $99 for a standard kit, deluxe at $219, and $329 for a deluxe premium. That has never been done in the history of the company. It is insane, the kit specials that are gonna be running. And the coolest part is you get to share that opportunity with somebody and have your first recruit ever, which is also really cool, which starts that journey onto leadership. This weekend is a weekend that you could take advantage of, that not only for somebody else getting them in the business, but also for yourself. See, statistics say that having a partner in the business, somebody set goals with, somebody to hold you accountable with, those businesses see massive success and longevity. And this weekend, you get to do that inside of our kit special. I know you're probably going, well, who should I invite? Who should I be talking to? Who should I reach out to? Well, I'm gonna show you some women that are inside the Pure Romance business that have been rocking it and what they were doing prior to getting into Pure Romance to maybe get some ideas started about who you should share this opportunity with. Who are you looking for an accountability buddy? Who are you gonna want to set those goals with? Take a look.
I had 3 jobs, 3 part-time jobs. I decided to do daycare. I actually did customer service phone calls from home, and my 3rd job was I was a sandwich artist. If you've ever worked at Subway, you call yourself a sandwich artist.
I was working at Ford Motor Company, and I was also a massage therapist at a spa.
I literally was working in the insurance industry, homeowners and hurricane insurance. And that's what I was doing. I was actually a trainer.
When I worked in that car dealership, having to overcome my fears of cold calling people and getting them in a car dealership to only make $25 if the salesperson sold the car, it was not that encouraging. But at the time, it was all I had. So it was the coolest thing in the world if I got 25 bucks.
I hope this weekend you take advantage of this kit special. See, you never know who's gonna get into this business. You never know if it's gonna be somebody that was a sandwich artist before, somebody that was a receptionist before, somebody that was going out there working in construction before. You never know, because there's always somebody out there that's actually wanting to change their life. They are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and they want to go out and live life by design, not by default. And this weekend, 75% off. I wanna see all of you get your very first sponsor. I want to see you get your very first recruit in the business. I want to see you have your buddy to help each other propel and set goals and to take over for 2019. Good luck. Keep it rocking. Don't forget, this is a huge weekend to live life by design, not by default. Hold on. I bet you thought the video was over, didn't you? There's one other thing. Since it will be your first recruit, we're gonna go ahead and give you $25 free product for your deluxe kit you sell and $50 for any deluxe plus kit that you sell. So good luck, have fun, and remember, go out there, a partner in the business, a buddy in the business, an accountability buddy in the business, 75% off. See you guys very soon. Keep it rocking.